win in this battle of nature's behemoths. Oh, it looks as though the spider's having second. No, he's got his second wind. He's ready. Could the praying mantis be seeing his end of days? Or is he lulling? Is that the right word? Lulling? Yeah. Lulling the spider into a false sense of security. We may never know. It looks like they're ready. Let the battle begin. Ding, 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 ding. And the praying mantis takes his spot. Oh, he lands a jab at the spider. And he curls back up into the praying mantis position. He's got this battle style down pat. The spider dazed, shakes it off, and moves along. It looks as though he may be running away. This is one battle he cannot win. Ooh. The mantis seizes his opportunity and gets into another attack position. You can see the spider saying, "Oh gosh, oh gosh," and running for his life as the mantis sizes him up and is ready to strike once again. "Not in my house," he says, "not in my house."